Welcome to One and Only, your favorite, Proverbs on Demand. Today's proverb is, "A rolling stone gathers no moss." It is an old proverb which is in use since long. Its meaning has evolved with time, particularly due to reference and meaning associated with the word moss. The phrase means that a person who is constantly changing his job and relationships won't have depth in any of them and would be unfulfilled. In other words, people who are always moving, with no roots in one place or another, avoid responsibilities and cares. This proverb teaches us a lesson of steadfastness. We should stick to our ideas and principles and not change their time and again. It does not pay us to be wavering and fickle-minded. A person should have a fixed aim before him. He should work sincerely to achieve it. Waywardness does not pay in life. Change in the profession means a waste of time and energy. Before taking up a project, one should thoroughly examine all its aspects thoroughly. Once it has been taken up, one should pursue it with heart and soul. There should be no going back then. Single-minded determination alone ensures man's place and position in life. A stone that rolls from place to place gathers no moss. But a stone that remains permanent at a place gets covered with moss. It means that a person who keeps himself active succeeds in life. For basically, who are indecisive about their life will face failure in life because of their inability to act when the opportunity has presented itself. So these people get nothing but disappointment when they reflect back. But for those who have promptly acted when the opportunity came to have everything at their feet, obviously, success is the reward of endeavors and not only wishful thinking. "A rolling stone gathers no moss" is an old proverb, first credited to Publius Cyrus. The modern interpretation of the proverb varies from the conventional one. In it, the idea the word moss conveys is negative, whereas in the conventional one, the idea is positive. Moss in the latter context stands for things worthy and desirable. Thank you so much for your time. Please subscribe to get new proverbs daily. Like and share if you want. Have a good day.